So I believe we finished the multivariate analysis, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So have you made the Word file that I asked you to do?
Yeah, actually, sir, I'm trying to do, but it's when I'm doing the copy that source code, it's not copy only the last paragraph only. You know why?
What does it means? Can you please just means, can you show me whatever exactly you're facing the problem?
Yeah, yeah, I
Mhm.
show you.
What you need to do, what I ask you to do, can you please tell me first?
Yeah, you told me this interpretation, right? This all the stuff. I need to
Mm.
do in the word format file
Yeah,
in proper manner.
yeah. So
Yeah,
it's very simple. Double click on that text.
yeah. Only this one, or I need to write this
See, first
syntax.
what you need to do, what is the first step? You need to copy all interpretations in your system, okay? Then
Yeah,
segregate them like whatever the interpretation you take in the data in pre-processing, whatever your interpretation you make in the univariate analysis, whatever interpretation you make in the bivariate analysis, and whatever interpretation you make in the multivariate analysis, you need to segregate them, okay? After
yeah,
doing that, try to beautify the sentences. These are the raw sentences you made, right?
yeah.
So try to make them beautiful, okay, so that people can
Uh,
understand the English. This is very simple English. So this is
yeah.
unit two, right?
Okay. But
Yeah.
without sir, the syntax and everything is show like a plain interpretation, na? This is a syntax, right? This one. So direct only copy the interpretation or not this one.
Hmm. What you said? Please repeat.
Yeah, this is a interpretation and this is a syntax. So
Syntax you do not need to take. Only
non
interpretations.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So that's why I trying to copy the whole text and just paste it in the Word format. So not happen. Only last interpretation is going to copy and paste.
Right? So you need to do that.
Okay.
Perfect. Do you have any concern related to coding?
Not now, sir.
Okay. Perfect. So now we are going to work on the Power BI. So search for Power BI. Have you installed the Power BI in your system?
No.
No worries. Go in App Store. See, that is after File Explorer, there is App Store. Click on that. Perfect. Because it's a Microsoft product, so you can take it from here also. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Search for Power BI Desktop.
This one, same, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you already have it?
Mm,
That's why it is open. Yeah, click on open and you will wait. It will take time, you know. It's very huge package. So we are already running late training, right? 6 or 15 day trainings. We are already exceeded the time. We need to complete soon.
mhm.
Right.
This page is open, sir.
Yeah. So this is the home page of Power BI. Okay. Now there was a few things that we must need to know. Okay. First is the data source. Okay. So see, there was a last option: get the data from another source. Click on that. Perfect. Now, can you please close this popular demand? Dark mode here. Yeah. So now you can look at here. There was a multiple data sources that you have. In the real-time cases, as a business analyst, most probably you need to work with the CSVs only. Okay, because they never ask you to work on the huge amount of data. They always ask you to work on the small data sets. Okay, remember that.
Yeah.
Now, while working into it, what are the concern that you need to understand that there was a multiple data sources companies are using. Okay, like which are I'm talking about like SQL servers, right? So you can go in the database. Can you please go in the database? Yeah. So in the database, you can see MySQL database, right? Can you please move your cursor on that? Yeah. So most probably this is something that you must need to know. Okay. But as a data analyst, not a business analyst, as a business analyst, you only work with the CSVs most probably. Okay. So that is always you need to remember. Okay. Now go in the file, right? Go in the file. Yeah. And click on CSV.
Oh, CSV. Okay.
Yeah. Now click on connect. Now we already have a file, right? That I sent it to you, house price data set, right?
Yeah.
That house price data set, I believe it is in the download.
Oh, house price, na?
Hmm. Now, before jumping into the this one, we first need to understand what is meant by DAX. DAX is basically data analytic expressions, okay? And we utilize DAX to, what I can say, transform the data. It is one kind of thing that remember when while doing the analytics, we did the pre-processing first, right? In the same way, Power BI also have the same functionality. For pre-processing the data, we use this specific one. Now click on transform data. After the load, there is a transform data, right? So very good. Now let it be open in the another window. Now you can look at can you please maximize the screen for me? You always need to remember about this specific stuff. Wow, you can see these kind of data by yourself. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, price, residential area, air quality. Now you know all the information about these specific columns, right? how they are, why they are, and how they are actually explaining the things to you, right? So now, so now the thing is, you can justify your all answers, right? You can justify your all step how you create the dashboard. Now remember one thing: when you explain the KRS to someone, let's suppose I am a senior business analyst, you are my junior. You perform the things, and you need to submit a report to me in terms of dashboard. Okay, so before that, you must need to know how you can, work on the data and all. So this is the step that gonna help you out. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you some of the transformation technique that you need to use. Okay. So first transformation technique is the, let's suppose you have a particular thing. Let's suppose you want to change the data type of any column. So you can see residential area. Okay. Room num column, right? Can you please click on room num? Room num, not there. In the table, you have the column called room num. 1.2 room num. Are you able to see that fourth column?
1.2. Yeah.
So see, these are the column names, okay, that we have.
Mm-hmm.
Now 1.2 is representing what? Numerical column. It represents numerical column. But it is representing 1.2. That's why we can say it's a data type is a float. Okay, decimal number we can say. Now click on that room number. When you click on this column is going to be selected, that you can check by highlighting by the dark blue color, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, as you can see at the top, there was written data type decimal number, right? Are you able to see that?
Data type decimal. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Now click on that decimal number. Now we know that room number should be whole number, right?
Yeah.
So now I am going to click on whole number. Click on whole number. So you need to replace the current. Yeah,
Yeah.
replace the current. So when you click on this, it is actually laptop, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you change the data type from the one to
Decimal.
another. Now you can see there was a 1, 2, 3 was written right at the starting of room number.
Yeah.
So it is representing whole number. When you have a 1.2, you need to say it's a decimal number column, like a float column. Whereas if you see 1, 2, 3, it's represent the whole number. Okay, remember about this specific thing. So this is how you need to change. Now, if you go, you can slide at the left hand side, please. You have a slider at the downside, right? You can use the left hand arrow also. No, no, I'm not asking you to go down. I'm asking you to go left hand side.
Left.
Yeah. In the same way, see, yeah, very good. Okay.
One. I'm.
Number of hotel rooms. Check out the number of hotel rooms column and hot rooms. Yeah. It also needs to be whole number, right?
Yeah.
Please convert this into the whole number. Perfect. Replace the current. Very good. Okay. Now, now we are going to replace some data. Okay. I'm going to tell you how you can replace some values. Now you can check in the water body column. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the water body column, there is a category called none, None, right? Check
Yeah.
the third value. Third value is representing none, right? So we are going to replace that none with the river. Okay, we are going to replace that none with the river. So see, there was a third option after data type. This is in replace values. Click on
Yeah.
that. Very good. Now you need to wait. Yeah,
By river.
replace with river. R-I-V-E-R. R should be capital. Very good. Now click on OK. So if you wait and check, the third value is now river, right? So this is how exactly it works. Now you may be asking me a question, is it happening in the real time cases? So yes, in the real time cases, we already done the analysis, right, on the data.
Yes.
So we already know how they needs to be. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's why we are doing the changes in such a way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now check the number of hospital beds. Number of hospital beds should be the whole number. Again, change it to the whole number.
Okay.
Now you can go at the left hand side quite a bit. Let's check other column also step by step. Yeah, what is the next column? Airport. Airport is correct, no doubt in that. Go again. Proportion of poor population, obviously it should be a decimal. Next column is a
Teachers.
teachers. Teachers is a whole number.
Yeah.
Convert this into the whole number, it is decimal.
Distance is
The
okay.
distance should be the decimal. It is in the meters. Then there is a age column. Age maybe in the decimal. We can make it to whole also. Make it a whole
Yeah.
number because maybe age can be lie.
Yeah. Room number
Whole
okay.
number is already decimal. The whole number is good to go. Air quality is needs to be in the correct order. It is correct, right? It is
Yeah.
keep it decimal only. Then what is the residential area? Decimal.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Now check. There is a one column named as airport, right? Sorry, buster, buster. Check where is the bus terminal column. I believe it is at the end.
Yeah. Yeah, here.
So we know that this column is not necessary for us, right? So what
Mm-hmm.
we are going to do, we are going to remove the column that. Okay. So select that. There was an option called remove columns.
Three columns.
Before
Yeah.
that, yeah,
Remove
remove
row.
rows, remove columns. Just before that, there is a remove column. No, 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 no. Yeah,
Okay.
this is the one. Click on that. See that column was deleted.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how you need to work. Anything other changes that you need to check? I don't think so. There is any. Okay.
Yeah. All done.
Yeah. So this is how we need to transform the data. There is a multiple what I can say options you have. Now let's suppose you want to see there was a column called use first row as header just after the data type. Click on that, please.
What is it,
Just
sir?
after the data type whole number, there is an option called use first row as header. Click on that.
Yeah.
So when you click on that, it is going to take the first row as a header, right?
Header.
But
Yeah.
I want my previous record back. How I can do that? So you can see applied step was written at the extreme left hand side. Move your cursor there.
Applied words.
The applied steps. It is a panel. It is a panel at extreme left hand side. Opposite of it. Opposite of it. Okay, go at the extreme left hand side. No, opposite of it. Extreme right hand side then of yours. Go down. No, no, it is not in the ribbon. It is in the panel. Just after that, there is a properties are written, right?
Properties. Yeah.
Just after that, there is a applied step was written, right?
Yeah.
The last step was a change type 2, right?
Yeah.
Just before that, there is a cross option. Click on that cross option.
Okay.
So see, it came back. This is called undo process.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Again, click on that. Yeah,
Process one.
I believe you clicked on this again. Now
Yeah.
look at it, right? Our data. So this is called undoing process. So whatever step you apply, you can undo this also by using this method. Okay. So now our data is ready for the application. Okay. So see after the file there was written close and apply. Click
Close
on that.
and okay.
Now you need to wait. Click on apply changes.
1 minute, sir. Some loading.
Oh, it's then let it be load. Now your data you can see at the extreme right hand side of yours. Okay. There was a data house price one was written, right?
Whose price? Yeah.
Yeah. So see just before that there is that menu option is there. Click on that drop down option before that.
Before the.
Yeah, yeah, click on that. So you can able to see the columns, right?
Yeah.
So now there is a multiple things you can do here. Okay. Let's do it one by one. But before jumping into it, let me tell you how you can see your tabular data. So extreme left hand side, there was a four options you have. Click on second option.
Mm,
Now come to extreme left hand side. I said you are at the right
okay.
hand side. So click on
This.
the second option so you can see the table view.
Okay.
So see there was a table view you got.
Yeah.
Okay, if you wait, it will showing the table to you. Okay. Now there was a third view also. The third view is about model view. Click on that. Now this is called RDBMS view. You may be asking me a question that Power BI is still very important tool in the market. Why? Because of this functionality. There was so many people going to ask you this question. Why Power BI is that much important nowadays also? So you need to say that, sir, this is the only one. This is the one of the BI tool who contain the RDBMS functionality. Okay.
Mhm.
RDBMS means what? Relational Database Management System. Means you can see there are the multiple tables connected with each other. Okay. That is called
Mm.
RDBMS functionality. So that functionality contained by the specific one, that is the reason behind this tool is that much important. Okay. Remember this specific thing. Now, go in the first one. Last one is a DAX one, but that is not for our use. Go at the first. Most probably developers use that. Go at the
That.
first. Yeah, DAX query view. It is used by the developers. Okay, mostly.
Mm.
So please close this. Perfect. Go at the first view.
First view.
Yeah, this is the report view, right? Click on the report view. Yeah, click on that. So we always need to work on this. Okay. So first we are going to add the text box into the dashboard. Okay. So see there was an option called text box in the upper ribbon. Click on that. So perfect. Double click inside this text box and write down there data analytics report for house price data. For house price data. Do the control plus A. Now see you can improvise the size of the text. Yeah, improvise that. 20 is better. Click on 20. Make it 20, 30. Make it 30. 32. Yeah. Now improvise the size of a box here. Yeah,
Like
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You can do it. Like you normally use it into the Power Paint or something. Improvise it till end. You don't have, yeah. Go till end. Yeah. Decrease from down. Yeah, very good. No, no, not improvising it. You need to decrease it. You need to be specific with your text, okay? Again,
Okay.
again. Just wait. Yeah. Now, say do the centralization. See, there is an option for centralization. Can make a bold. Yeah, yeah. Click on that so that your text is going to be at the center, right? If you
Mm.
want to add any kind of link with it, you can link it. Okay. Most probably we use the link of a company logo. You may be heard about whenever you make a interactive dashboard, and when we click on any kind of logo, it will redirect us to the company's website, right? So you
Yeah.
can make it here also. So see if there is an option called anchor, right? You can click on that. Now make it bold, please. Can you please change the font style for me? Okay, no worries. Now you can do one thing, change the color also. Yeah, very good. Yes, 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 you're right. Click on that and make it a dark color. Use any dark color. Dark purple. Now click outside. Yeah, see, this is the your heading of your report. Okay. Now what we are going to do, whenever we do the stuff, we first need to know how much data we have, right? So first we need to add the count of a thing. So I'm going to tell you how you can add any kind of count into the data. Okay. So you can see there was a visualizations are written, right? There was a multiple chart you can see. Are you able to see the charts? Yeah, very good. Now click on cards. I believe it's a fourth row, last column.
Fourth, fourth
Row.
row.
Yeah, and the last column. There was a one, two, three. Yeah, click on that. Click on that. Very good. It will be look like this, right?
Mhm.
So what you need to do, you need to add the data here. Just after the visualization, there was a field was written, right? Are you able to see the field's name? No, no, no. After the visualization, after the graphs means after means down, come down, come down. Yeah. Just after that, there is a fields which written there. Are you able to see the name
Yeah.
columns? Yeah, very good.
Fields. Yeah.
So in the fields, you need to add any kind of column. First, it is my recommendation. Try to use any categorical column. Okay. So take the airport column here. How you can do that? Drag that airport column from the columns. Yeah, drag that into that add data fields here.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. So you can say there was a no is written, right? So
Yeah.
after the first airport, there was a drop down. Click on that. Yeah. Now he was saying count. There was an option called count, right? So click on
Yeah.
count. Click on that. So you can see 506. If you remember our data analysis, we know that we have 506 observations, right?
Yeah.
Now, what you need to do, you need to have this visualization with you, right? Now, we are
Mhm.
going to format the specific one. Okay. So, to do the formatting, what you need to do here, you can see there was a build visualization. After the visualization's name, there was a build visual was written, right?
Yeah.
Just after the build visual, there is a one paint brush you can see. Click on that paint brush. Yeah, click on that. So this can help you to format your visualization. This is going to help you to format your visualization. So let's do it again. Okay. So see, there was in the visual there was a collect call out value is written. Click on the drop down of call out value.
Collect value.
Yeah, just
Uh,
after before that there is a drop down. Yeah, you can see there was a multiple things were written, right?
yeah.
Change the font first. So you can see the number, the font of a number was changing, right?
Yeah.
Keep the font as it is. Font style 45 is better, right?
Yeah.
It's looking cool. Change the color of it. You can use the dark color again. Use the dark purple. It's a okay. No worries. Perfect. It would be better. Okay. You can make a bold it also. Make it bold. Perfect. Scroll down. Now let's suppose you have units, so you can use the units, but right now we don't have, so keep it as it is.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is done. This is done. Okay. Now there was a category labels were present. Click on the drop down of category label. Scroll down.
Now this much one, please.
No, you need to scroll down there. Click on the drop down first, then only it is going to showcase, na?
This category label option, na, sir?
Yeah,
You're
click on
asking.
that.
Yeah.
Not on. Wait. First, click on that drop down. Yeah,
Yeah.
now do the draw.
Okay.
Now click on first. First click. Now scroll down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, see, it is here, right? So now what you need to do? First, make it off. Let's take see what the changes are going to be there. See, there was a category. Wait a second. Listen my words first, very carefully. What I'm saying, just after the category label, there was on is written. Click on that on. So you can see you are able to see there was a no count, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to keep it as it is. Okay, we are not going to give any number here. Okay. Now, if you want to keep it, that's totally on you. But I am suggesting you don't keep it. Okay. Now go into the general. See, after the visual, there is a general was written. Click on general.
Yeah.
After clicking on general, he was asking you about some things. First thing is about properties. Click on properties. And you can see he was asking you to add any kind of heights, width. Okay. So we do not need to do it. We can check a position also. Scroll down. See, there was a position. Click on that.
Yeah.
So you can change the position of it horizontally, vertically. That's totally on you. Okay. If you want to add a height, let's suppose if you increase the horizontal, can you please increase that number to 10 to 100? See, it is moving, right?
Yeah.
So actually you are moving your text with that box. Okay. Less than 10. Okay. It 8 to 8. Okay. So this is how it change. Vertically also you can move. Okay, but
Let's
that we
do
are
that.
not going to do. These are the advanced options. Okay, and the padding is also there. Now click on title. First click on.
On.
Yeah. Now we are going to give the title to here. See, there was a text was written right down inside that. A number of houses. We have a house data, right?
Yeah.
So write down there.
Number of houses.
Houses, right? H should be capital here. Now beautify it as per your knowledge. Make it bold. Change the font style. If you scroll down, change this text color. As per your knowledge, you can use it. Scroll down. Yeah, make it centralized. Yep. Okay. So this is how you can actually use this stuff. Okay. If you want to change the background color, see there was a background color is also written. Click on background color. Give any background color. Dark faint gray. I suggest you faint gray. See
Three.
the first column, third value. One, two, three. Three, third
This.
again. After that, click on that. So you can see it is changing for it, right?
Yeah.
But I suggest you no, in place of that, go for the second one. Again, click on background color. Click on second. It will be better, right?
Yeah.
Now scroll down. Now click on subtitle. Oh, sorry. It is good to go. You're good. You're good. You're good. Scroll down. We don't have a subtitle, right?
Yeah.
Scroll down. No divider we wanted.
Off.
Make it off. Now click on effects. Change the background color. This is going to change the entire background color. Click on that. Now you can use the which color you want to use. I suggest you use the third row, third column, first row. No, this is a second then. Just after that. No.
No, which column? Third column.
Third column, second.
Uh,
Just
okay.
yeah. Click on that. Is it good?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's totally on you whether what you want to use and how you want to use. Okay.
Mm.
Now give the border also. Scroll down. See there was a visual border is written. Click on first. Scroll down. See there was a round corners were there, right? So
Yeah.
increase that by using that slider. Go at the end. Perfect. You can. I'll show you how exactly it looks like. Okay. Shadow no needed. Okay. So this there actually your formatting was cleared. Okay. There was that much formatting is done. It is enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Now click outside of the graph. Perfect. See, it is look like that, right? But we need to decrease the size of it. So make it. I just want to see the number of houses and the 506, right? So how you can do that? Click on that again, and like you resize the name, you can resize the this box also. Resize it, please.
This
Not from
box.
down, not from down. Left hand. You can check it, take it from left, right hand side. Yeah. Move it, move it. Make it smaller. Make it smaller. Again. Wait. Perfect, right?
Yeah.
But move it at the top. You can, yeah, you can move it also. No, not from there, not from there. Don't increase and decrease the sign in place of that. Go inside the graph and drag it. Yeah, you can see your movie. Yeah, perfect. Keep it there. Click outside. So we this is the first KPI we got, right?
Yeah.
Number of houses. Always remember, this is the first KPI we have. That is the number of houses we have, right?
Yeah.
What is the second one we can take? The average price of the house. Now, most probably there was a multiple things you can use, but I'd suggest one idea to you. Okay, click on the graph again of that. Click
Click
on
on the
that
what, sir?
number of houses. Click on number of houses.
Okay.
Do the Control C, Control V,
Control C.
Control V. Now drag that at the left, right hand side, please. Yeah, just near to. Okay. And now you can see there was a fields were written, right? No, not there, not there. Now come into the here this side fields after the
Yes.
visualize. Yeah, remove that count from airport. So how you can do that? Just after the drop down, you have that cross option. Click on that cross option. Perfect. Now you can take the price column over there. Yep, very good. Now in place of sum of the price, you can click on drop down again, and you can select the average. So you can say the average price of the house, right?
Yeah.
Now you need to change the title also. So how you can do that? Just after the build visual, you have that option called formatting, right? Just after that. After that, I said, yeah. Here you format your visual, right? Go in general. In the general, you have the option for title, right?
Yeah.
Click on that. Change it from here. Average house price. Yeah, house price. Very good. Now click outside there. No, don't do anything. Because see why I'm saying you this, because you need to keep the formatting same for all the stuff. Okay,
Although
that's the
I
reason.
title. Yeah.
Click outside of the graph. See, for the both the what I can say KPIs, we have the same formatting. Remember this always. You
Yeah.
always need to keep a same formatting for entire graphical representation system. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't do like there you have a blue, there you have a black, there you have a red. No, this is not actually the professional stuff. Okay.
Mm.
Also, there is a known gap needs between the number of houses and the average price. Okay. So you can move it at the left hand side, please.
Yeah.
Move it, make it nearer to it. You can select first. Select, then drag. No, not from there, not from there, not from there. I said move it directly. Yeah, move it. Don't increase and decrease the sign. Again, if your one box is very bigger and one box is smaller, it's not look cool again.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to be very clear with it. Okay.
Mm.
Now I want to see the average rainfall. Do the same stuff, copy it, and do the step that you recently did. Wait, first do the copy paste.
Okay.
Yeah. First select. First select. Yeah. See, there you did the mistake again. Wait, first close that last one. Add enormous. Now close that. Yeah, close that first. Click on delete option. It will be deleted. Perfect. Now see, select that graph. Select that last KPI number of houses. This is called KPI card. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, first
What is
select
it,
that.
sir?
First select that.
Okay.
Yeah, select that. Now see, there was a count of airport was written, right? Remove that.
Count of airport.
Where it is. Yeah, close. Remove that. Very good. Now what I wanted average rainfall, right? So take the rainfall column, put it there. Very good. Perfect. I wanted average. How I can get the average? It is a sum of, wait, it is a sum of it. Again, go back, go there in the format. Wait a second. No, 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 no.
Uh-huh.
Remember one thing. Just before that, you have the option for that, right? Before the format visuals, you have the visuals option. Click on that. Yeah, click on that. See, you came back on the front page, right?
Yeah.
Is there is some of rainfall you have in the fields?
Yeah.
What I wanted. I wanted average. Click on drop down.
Average.
Perfect. Select that. Very good. Okay. 39.18. Now I want to
Yes.
edit the title. How I can do that?
Then this
Yeah. Go there. Very good.
general
Go in general. Go in
title.
title. Change the title. Average rainfall. Click outside. See, your graph is create your number were correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now move it nearer to the. Yeah. Perfect. Now I want the next one is the average room number I want to see. Again, you need to do the same steps. Okay. Do the same step. This time I'm not going to help you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which column do you want, sir?
I wanted average room number.
Average room.
No, 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 no. You are doing wrong. Let me tell you again. This is the last time I'm telling you. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on that first, last one. Select that graph. The last KPI. Yeah. So select that. First, you need to select it. That is the first step, okay?
Mm.
Then remove it from the fields. Don't look at the graph now. Remove it from the fields.
Okay.
So definitely, if there is nothing, it's not going to show anything, right?
Yeah.
Now drag that room number column here.
Okay.
Drag that here. See, it is came, right? But
Yeah.
what I wanted average, right? So click on
Yeah.
the drop down, select the average. Yep, 6.27, right?
Yeah.
Now, what I wanted, after that, I want to change the title, right? So go in the
Title.
format visual. What is the next step?
General.
Go there. Go here. You need to take a call. If you're wrong, it's okay. But don't like a shy and don't try to be like a, you know. So what is this? Average room number, right? Write down
Yeah.
average room number. See, end of the day, it's you need to do, right? So that is you
Yeah.
need to understand. Okay. So now click outside. Now do it for I want to see the average teachers.
Storage
Follow
teachers.
the same steps. First, Control V. Do it now. I'm not gonna help you in that. If it's not staying there, get out in under the first one.
Average teachers. Okay.
That's good. Perfect. You please move that average teachers under the first KPI. Move that under the first KPI. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Good to go. Very good. That's called confidence, right? So you need to do it. Okay. Every time you need to be very clear with the things. Okay. Don't be shy. Don't try think like what people can think about me. No, no, no. I'm not here to judge you. Not even the peoples are going to be judge you. You just need to focus on the step you already did here, and you need to do
Mm.
your work. Okay. Now we are
Okay.
going to learn how you can build a graph. I want to see, you know,
Mm.
um, when I have water bodies, how was my price were going to be work. Okay. So how we can do that? See, there was an option like a first row, fourth column, fourth,
Fourth.
fourth
Fourth
column.
column.
Yeah. Select that. Select that. It would be
Yeah.
look like that. Okay. So he was asking you about X data, Y data. I wanted on X data, take
Mm.
the uh, water body column on X.
On X. Okay.
See, wherever you have the value recently, there we have now
Mm.
X axis and Y axis, right?
Yeah.
So move water body to the X axis. No, don't click on that. What I said, you need to drag it from the columns.
Okay.
Water body, last column, drag it to the X axis. Very
Yeah.
good. Now, what I wanted in the second one, I wanted on the Y axis, I wanted the price. Take the price one on the Y axis. Perfect. Now you were saying sum, right? So I don't wanted a sum. I wanted the average.
Okay.
Check there and click on average. So you can see, but the concern is it was not looking that cool, right? So increase the size of a graph, please. You know how to do that, right?
Yeah.
Increase the size manually. No, not from there. Manually, I said. See, when I
Okay.
ask you to increase the size, that you need to do manually only, right?
Okay.
Perfect. Improvise from the down also. Okay. I improvise from the top quite a bit. Yeah. Go. Till that red line can come. Yeah, see, the red light was going to tell you that you need to stop here.
Yeah.
Now you know how to format the visuals, right? Let's start with the X, right? In the visual, you have the X axis.
Yeah.
Click on that. Format the X axis now. Change the font style, make it bold, change the color and all. Yeah, see? The stuffs were changing, right?
Yeah.
So this is how we need to work. Now wait a second, we're already running out of time because I already have one session from out. Okay.
Okay.
So what you can do till wherever you wanted. Okay.
Okay.
And try to add the KPIs of what? Poor population, average poor population, average number of hotel rooms, and average number of hospital beds. Okay. You know about KPI, right? Like you have a number of number of houses. This is called KPI index. So such kind of cards
Okay.
you create. Okay. So
Okay.
tomorrow when I come, I want to see that on your screen. Okay. For what? N hospital, N hot rooms, and poor pop. Okay.
I didn't get you, sir. What you want,
See,
sir?
what you created a cards, right? Number of hospital beds, number of houses, average house price, average rainfall, average room number, average teachers, right? Same
Uh,
kind of cards I needed for N house beds, N hot rooms, and poor pop.
okay. So remaining these cards you want, I want to make that.
Yeah, you need to make that.
Okay.
Okay, and please prepare a Word file also. That is
Okay, sir.
mandate. Okay,
Yeah.
dear. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have a
See you
good day.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
You too, sir.